I will show you how to create a story on your Character AI. What's up guys? Today guys I will show you how to create a story on Character AI. Just follow and watch this video till the end. So first just go and open your Character AI, and right now you come and click here on create. Now click on story, and on story right now you have to create your own story. Just write what you want. I don't know. I don't know. Click right now next and choose your character. For example, this one. And right now you have to complete these steps. You just have to complete these steps, to create a story. And that's all guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.